Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will see prime and composite numbers. So before going with the definitions of prime and composite numbers, first of all we will see the number of factors of different number. Because the definition of prime numbers and composite number, or we can say the concept of prime numbers and composite numbers, are completely based on the factors of any number. So we know we have a number from the numbers from the 0, because whole number starts with 0. But we know 0 does not have any factor. So in this table I am not including 0. In this table firstly we will take 1, after that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Till 10 we can easily get the topic. So 1's factors are only 1, 2's factors are 1 and 2, 3's factors are 1 and 3. Okay, they are the factors of this number. 4 factors are 1, 2 and 4. It has 3 factors. Okay, 5 factors are 1 and 5. 6 factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. 7 factors are 1 and 7. 8's factors are 1, 2, 4, 8. 9's factors are 1, 3, 9. And 10's factors are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Okay. So till here, till 10, we can see either any number is having only 2 factors or more than 2 factors. This one is having only 1 factor, 2 is having 2 factors, 3 is having 1 and 2 factors, 4 is having 3 factors, 5 is having 2 factors, 6 is having 1, 2, 3, 4 factors, 7 is having 2 factors, 8 is having 4 factors, 9 is having 3 factors, 10 is having 4 factors. So we can see either we have only 2 factors or more than 2 factors except 1. In the case of 1 only, we have only 1 factor. That's why 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Okay? The very first prime number is 2. The very first prime number is 2 because the number which is having only 2 factors. The number which is having only 2 factors, that numbers are known as prime number. So this 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. In this table we have 4 prime numbers. Because they have only 2 factors, its first one is 1. The first factor is 1 and second factor is that number itself. 2's factor is 1 and number itself, that is 2. 3's factors is 1 and 3 itself. Same as it is, 5 factors are 1 and 5 itself. 7 factors are 1 and 7 itself. They have only 2 factors. First one is 1 and the second factor is itself. So that's why the number which is having only 2 factors, first factor is 1 and the second factor that number itself. So that number is known as prime numbers. Okay, prime numbers. And all others, those who have more than 2 factors, these 3 factors, 4 factor, 4, 3, 3, they all are considered as composite number because they have more than 2 factors. They are composite number because they have more than 2 factors. So the very first composite number is 4. The very first composite number is 4 and the very first prime number is 2. So how we can write their definition? Simply whatever we had been seen, that we have to write in the form of wordings. So prime numbers definition will become like in the form as a numbers which is having only 2 factor 1 and number itself. 1 and number itself are known as prime numbers. The number which is having only 2 factors, 1 and number itself, is known as prime numbers. We can simply write their example like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, etc. are the prime numbers because they have only 2 factors. The first factor is 1 and the second factor is number itself. Okay? In the composite number we can easily write numbers which is having more than 2 factors are known as composite number. Which number? Composite numbers. Their example we can write in the form 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, okay, etc. are the composite number because they have more than 2 factors. We seen in the table 2-3 things, so that we will write in the note. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. This one, the first point that we seen in the table, and we also seen when we were drawing the table from the beginning, from the 1, the very first prime number we have is 2. So 2 is the smallest prime number. And the smallest composite number is 4. So 4 is the smallest composite numbers. And you can simply see in the prime number section we have almost each prime number is odd. Almost each prime number is odd, but the first prime number is an even number. Only first prime number is even, other than all the prime numbers are odd. Okay? So here we completed the definitions of prime numbers and composite numbers. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please press on the like button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.